So I'm in my rally art here, and this is the main page that you're used to. So if we restart the program, once you are logged in and onto the main screen as usual, you'll see a new button in the top right hand corner called Live Log. Now this is basically the closest thing that we can do to live logging. So once you're all hooked up, Taxtrix cable on and wideband, you just go to the main UI. There'll be a initial settings section that you need to point to your EvoScan executable file and your save logs file. So wherever your EvoScan logs get saved to generally, then come back to the UI, then you press one space bar. Now that'll start watching and it'll bring up EvoScan in a small window. If you're ready to go, you press space again and it is logging. So just show you quickly. So it is logging live, just your normal EvoScan logging. Then you do your idle, cruise or wide open throttle pull. Once you're done with that, you press space again. The watcher will look for the new log and it will automatically pass it from EvoScan to Boost LogiX for analysis. Now that's already automatically identified that it's an idle, it's a short idle. There's not going to be a lot of data in here, but we'll go through it anyway. And then you land on your normal overview analysis dashboard, so that you're probably familiar with. And then if we can go into all the other sections that are available that you can see. Use all the other features, so it's exactly the same. The other good thing is if you want to continue to do successive wide open throttle pulls, you can do a virtual dyno section separately, and that will allow you to do virtual dyno pulls, one pull after the next, to see any changes that you've made, whether or not it's in a positive or a negative direction. And so if you just go back in here, start the log again, as soon as you finish the log, it will automatically pick up the other logs in the folder, and then you can pass it through. So it's obviously another idle, and then you can go through the individual tabs. So it gives you that option as well. And then obviously you can go into your tune map, your multi-graph viewer, which is all part of the same UI setup. So basically that is the new feature. Give it a go, run some logs, do a decent spread of idle, wide open throttle and cruise if you get a chance. And yeah, let us know if there's any bugs or anything unusual that have come up, and we can go from there. Thanks for your time, guys. We'll see you on the next one.